Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm excited. We have some new products we are going to use to install a wig today. I'm super excited about these products. If you want to know how to melt that lace, how to get that flawless hairline seamlessly, then make sure you keep on watching, and I'm going to get right into this video and we are going to slay down this wig. So before we begin, I want to share with you guys again this Perfect Line Swiss product, because that's what I'm going to use on the inside of this cap for today's wig. Now the reason I'm sharing this again is because someone actually left a comment underneath my last video and also tagged me on Instagram and told me a different way I could smooth this product without reheating it with boiling water. They suggested using a dryer on a hot setting and a comb to smooth it down, and I have to admit this way works so well. So once I get the product on the lace, just take the dryer, put it on hot and blow dry, and use your comb to smooth it all into the lace. And I promise you guys, this method is so easy. I know a lot of you have ordered this product, so try this method out, the first way and this way, and then drop me a comment below and tell me which way you like the best. All right, let's jump right into this video. The wig I will be installing today comes from Ronnie Hair. I will be sure to put it below in the description box. So we have a pre-plucked hairline, we have this natural length, this natural texture going on, and I'm just going to style this wig up. I did bleach the knots prior to this, so for today I'm going to use my Simply Styling product before I put heat to this. And as you guys can see, I am wearing this product down. I absolutely love this. I will be sure to link it below with that 25% off code, which is still good if you want to purchase this product. All right, so check that description box. So I'm just spraying this all over the hair. I'm going to brush it through, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I did wash the hair already when I bleached the knot, so this is what the texture will look like. It is a straight texture if I'm not mistaken, but straight textures always have that slight wave to it when it's drying. Anyways, I'm going to spray some more of that Simply Styling product to this section before I curl it, and then I'm going to take my T3 curler and add curls all around this hair. Now, the reason why I decided to use the Perfect Line Swiss in this wig, someone had asked me if I plan on using that product with every wig. No, I don't. I plan on only using it on my wigs that I feel like look the most natural. So this wig right here is one of them. These are the type of styles that I really like. This wig comes with that pre-plucked hairline. Everything about this wig just looks natural, like a wig that you can just put on and go. So if you don't know what that product is, basically it gives you that scalp appearance. It hides those knots. It also hides the lace so it won't look like there's grids in between your parting. Make sure to go check out my previous video. I'll also put that link at the end of this video if you want to go check it out, and you can learn all about the product that I'm talking about. So I'm going to finish out curling this hair, and then we are going to jump into the install with the Shea Moisture product. So make sure you keep on watching, thumbs up the video, and make sure you are subscribed by clicking that subscribe button. I did pin the curls. I'm going to spray it with some of this spray. This is the Crystal Crush. I will try to find it and link it below in the description box also. But I did let the curls sit like this for about 30 minutes before I took them down, just because I wanted them to be nice and tight and to last. So yeah, I will also put these clips down in the description box for you guys if you are looking for some clips. These are really, really good. So I just discovered that Shea Moisture has a whole line dedicated for wig and weaves. They have the bonding glue, the remover, the shampoo. They also have this flyaway wrap mousse. You guys, why did you not ask me to try these products? This is the first time I'm trying them. This is not sponsored, by the way. I stumbled upon these myself. So we're going to use these products to install today's wig. And I'm really excited because Shea Moisture is a really great hair care line. I've used it for years. So when I seen that they had the wig and weave line, I'm like, yes, yes. So I'm very excited to try these out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lace. This is what I'm working with underneath the wig, just a wig cap basically. So the first thing we are going to do is install the wig, and we're going to use the tea tree bonding glue with aloe. It's a grip and secure type of product. It smells really good, and the consistency of it is very like slime almost. Kind of reminds me of the Gorilla's Knot, but not really, because it's a bit more watery in consistency. So you apply this just like you would apply any of the hair gels. This product is supposed to keep your wig secure and in place, supposed to be more healthier for your edges. It has aloe vera, which is water-based, so it's gentle on the skin. It's also moisturizing. It's a moisturizing glue, which helps you avoid the usual dryness that you get from some of these hair glues, and it's supposed to prevent breakage, which you experience around the hairline if you use really harsh adhesives on the hairline. So this is going to be better for your hairline. It goes on clear, so it does give that natural finish, and it's supposed to leave the hair smelling fresh, which it does. It smells really, really good. So it also is suitable for poly hair pieces, full lace wigs, lace front wigs, and also 360 lace wigs, you guys. So you can use this on any type of wig that has lace. So when I apply it down, I am using the cool air to dry it. Normally I would use warm air, but I wanted to do exactly what the instructions say. And I think the reason why these products say to use cool air is because a lot of times we sweat. So if you are sweating before you go to apply your lace wig with these products, you will not get it to stick. So you want your hairline to be cool and not damp. You don't want it to be sweaty. You just want it to be nice and dry. And I find that it is holding really good. Now it does take a little bit longer to dry because it is more of that water base to it, which is a good thing for your hairline, but it's a bad thing for drying time because it's going to take longer. However, it is secure. Now, this is not a long-term wear product. It is a short-term wear. So you can get a few days from it, maybe just like the other hair gels. But this one does come with the remover. Okay, so let's jump into styling. Now I'm going to be using Shea Moisture Wig and Weave, Tea Tree Flyaway, and Wrap Mousse with aloe vera in it. And this also smells really good, you guys. So this product is supposed to eliminate flyaways for a flawless straight look, or add volume back to a curly style, so you can use it on curly hair. It's great for human hair and synthetic brand extensions. It's water-based. It revitalizes curls for a defined look, so you can use it on curly hair. I am excited about these products, you guys. And you can shape your edges with this if you want to create edges, baby hairs, all that good stuff for a seamless finish. Definitely excited about that. This mousse will leave wigs, weaves, and braids with a beautiful shine and a soft, flexible hold. When I did apply this, I noticed that the hair was not crunchy, it was not hard, and you guys know I use a lot of products sometimes, but it definitely did not leave the hair stiff. You can see the shine that's going on. I did want to try it out for the edges, so I just put some around the hairline, and I just laid just a little bit of edges. I didn't do any crazy baby hairs. You guys, I'm just still sitting here just wondering why you all did not tell me about these products. Like, are they new? Somebody drop me a comment. Are these products new? Did they just come out? Because I would have loved to talked about this a long time ago, but this is what everything is looking like. Look at that parting, you guys. Go check out my previous video if you want to know more about the product that I use for the scalp look. But look at the hairlines. Nice. It's not shiny. It looks natural. The hair is beautiful. I will be sure to link this wig below in the description box for you guys if you want it, along with all the products that I use in today's video. Be sure, if you try any of these products, to come back to my video and tell me what your thoughts was on them. And if you have tried them already, you can go ahead and drop that comment. It'll be helpful for someone else. And thank you guys so much, like I said again, for recommending the technique for the Perfect Line Swiss. It helps so much. And I will see you all back in my next video. Mwah.